Salam.
Okay, students, we are starting our class, and the two students, Azim and Shiza, they did not write their IDs, so they are not allowed to enter into the class. Just tell them. I have sent the message in the group. They will not be allowed unless they will write their IDs. Uh, Okay. So, as you know, the marking scheme is assignments and quizzes. 20 marks. Midterm 30 marks. And final 50 marks. In this way, total 100 marks. So this is the she's a 5 9, then again. So this is the marking scheme. Assignments and quiz is 20 marks, midterm 30 marks, and final 50 marks. Books, Thomas calculus. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. 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 आवाज नहीं आ रही भाई. हेलो जी. क्या नाम वो है आपका? क्या नाम है? क्या नाम है बेटा? जैनुल्ला को तो मैंने ऐड कर दिया. हाँ, ऐड कर दिया था उसको. फिर बाहर आ गए क्या? 2 दफा ऐड कर चुका हूँ. अच्छा चलिए, कर दिया. ओके. सो थॉमस कैलकुलस, दिस इज द बुक, 11th एडिशन. तो हमारा ज्यादातर कोर्स जो है इसी से है. तो ये हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक है, थॉमस कैलकुलस 11th एडिशन. बाय Maurice D. Weir, Joel Hess, and Frank R. Giordano, Morris de Beer, Joel Hess, and Frank R. Giordano. This is the textbook. Okay, and we will also use this one. Just a minute. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। जी जी, क्या नाम है आपका? हाँ शीजा, तो बेटा आपने ना आईडी नहीं लिखी थी तो कैसे कनेक्ट होगी? अब आपने आईडी लिखी है, अब मैं आपको एंटर करूंगा। आप आईडी नहीं लिखते। आपकी आईडी जी, आपकी आईडी क्लास की नहीं, आपकी स्टूडेंट आईडी, वो मैंने मैसेज भी भेजा था लेकिन आप लोग केयर ही नहीं करते, पढ़ते ही नहीं है मैसेजेस। बेटा आपको पता तो होना चाहिए ना, जूम पे जब भी आप करते हैं तो उस पे आपकी आईडी जरूरी है, ऐसे हर एक को थोड़ा ऐड कर लेंगे हम। हाँ अब आपने लिख दिया, हाँ लिख दिया, अब तो आपने लिख दिया ना, 59471 है ना। लेकिन ये हमारे, अच्छा आपने कल लिया है, ठीक है मैं लिख लेता हूँ, ये हमारी लिस्ट में नहीं है ना, मैं लिख लेता हूँ। ठीक है, मैं आपको एंटर कर लेता हूँ। ओके, एक दूसरी बुक की हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे क्योंकि बहुत सारे टॉपिक उसमें, कुछ टॉपिक ऐसे हैं जो उसमें नहीं है शामिल, तो एक हम ये बुक इस्तेमाल करेंगे, बेसिक टेक्निकल मैथमेटिक्स। ये आपने उसमें लास्ट कोर्स जो आपने अलजेब्रा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का पढ़ा होगा उसमें भी ये बुक आपने इस्तेमाल की होगी, तो ये बुक सेम बुक है, तो ये भी हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स, तो हम इसी से करेंगे। कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स का आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, वो हम इसी से करेंगे, बेसिक टेक्निकल मैथमेटिक्स, पीटर कूफिटिंग। ओके, सेकंड एडिशन है ये पीटर कूफिटिंग का, ये टेक्निकल मैथमेटिक्स। ये बुक्स आप अगर खरीदना चाहें खरीद लें, वरना ये ऑनलाइन भी मौजूद है। सेकंड एडिशन बाय पीटर who fit in. तो ये हम दो बुक्स यूज करेंगे। तो आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है दैट इज द complex numbers. You have already learned the complex numbers. Complex numbers are those numbers which are the combination of real number and the imaginary numbers. So real numbers and imaginary numbers. So these are the two parts of the uh, complex number. So complex number, today's our topic is complex number. First, just we have the review of the complex number. Complex numbers. First, we just have the review. Azim Bilal, just tell him he must write the ID, otherwise he will not be allowed to enter into the class and he will be marked as absent. In the message which I sent in the group, I told everything clearly. I wrote over there everything clearly. They must write their IDs, otherwise they will not be allowed into the class. And if they will not be allowed into the class, they will be marked absent. So complex number, this is generally it is denoted by Z. Complex number generally denoted by Z, and Z is equal to A plus iota B. Z is equal to A plus iota B. A is the real part. This is the real part. And this one, the imaginary part. Real part and the imaginary part. The part without I, that is the real part. The part with I, that number is called the imaginary part. Not I is included. I is only the indicator. This is not the imaginary part. This is indicating which one is the imaginary part. So real part is A and imaginary part is B. The number with I is called the imaginary part. The number associated with I, that is the imaginary part. I means the iota. It is denoted by iota. I means iota, and it has a specific value. The value is under root minus 1. This is iota. Now, okay. Samir Khan 62064. Okay. So this is the complex number. A is the real part, B is the imaginary part. So not IB, not iota B, only B is the imaginary part. Don't write iota B. Iota is the indicator which is showing you which one is the imaginary part. So only B is the imaginary. If you are asked write the imaginary part, so you will write B only, not IB or iota B. Don't write iota B, the imaginary part. Imaginary part is only B without I. I is the indicator which is showing which one is the imaginary part. Okay, so this is the complex number. It is denoted by Z. It consists of a plus iota b. Sometimes any one of the two parts are absent. They are not, they are zero. When any one part is absent, so we will write it zero. We will write it zero. So this is the complex number. Now addition and subtraction of the complex number. Addition and subtraction. When the two complex numbers are being added or subtracted, real part will be added or subtracted in the real part, and real part and imaginary part will be added or subtracted from the imaginary part. For example, we have two complex numbers Z1, A1 plus iota B1, and Z2, another complex number, A2 plus iota B2. If you are asked to find the sum of these two numbers or add the two numbers Z1 and Z2, so Z1 plus Z2 will be equal to, real parts will be added with the real parts, A1 plus A2, this is the real part. Imaginary part B1 and B2 will be added, plus B1 plus B2 iota. Iota is common, it is outside, so B1 plus B2. In the same way, if you are subtracting, so you will subtract over minus, here also minus. If you are adding Z1 plus Z2, it will become A1 plus A2 plus B1 plus B2 iota. Okay. So if you are adding Z1 plus Z2, it will become A1 plus A2 plus B1 plus B2 iota. And Z1 minus Z2, it will become A1 minus A2 plus B1 minus B2 iota. So this is the way how to add and subtract the two complex numbers. Just remember, every session will be of 40 minutes, and after 40 minutes, it will take almost 5 to 10 minutes. In that time, they are converting and recording the meeting, this 40-minute session, and after that, the new session has to start. I have to start. I have to do the whole process. I will go there on LMS. I will log in the LMS. Then I will start the meeting, Zoom meeting. So it will take from 5 to 10 minutes in the process. So after that, again we will start the meeting. Now only how much time? 8 minutes are left uh, of this meeting. So you have to wait and you will again enter into the class. So addition, this is the way. Multiplication, multiplication Z1 into Z2. Write Z1 A1 plus iota B, iota B1 into A2 plus iota B2. We just simply multiply as we Sayyid Muhammad 5 Raza 6706. Okay, so we'll simply multiply just like the algebraic multiplication. A1 is multiplied with all these two, A1, A2 plus A1, B2 iota. In the same way, iota B1 will multiply with A2. It will become A2, B1 iota plus iota square B1, B2 iota square. I have already told you that iota is under root -1. Iota square will be equal to -1. Iota is under root -1 and iota square is -1. So iota square will be replaced A1, A2 plus iota is common from here, A1, B2 plus A2, B1, iota is common. Here iota square is -1. So -1 into this one, this will become minus B1, B2. Minus B1, B2. So this will become over there, this is real. Now it will become real. There is no iota. Iota is showing the imaginary part. This is the real part. So it will become A1, A2 minus B1, B2 plus A1, B2 plus A2, B1 iota. So this is the way how to multiply 64085 64085 Talha Patna. Okay, so this is the way how to multiply the complex numbers. How to multiply the two complex numbers. जी कुछ कह रहे हैं आप?
सर वो आयोटा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू रिपीट कर दीजिएगा प्लीज.
Iota square is -1. Iota is equal to under root -1. Iota square will become square of under root -1. Square से under root cancel, so iota square will become -1. Iota square will be -1. So here the -1, B1, B2 into -1. It will become minus B1, B2. It will become minus B1, B2. So this is the way how to multiply Z1 into Z2, the two complex numbers. The real parts are multiplied together minus the imaginary parts are multiplied. So this is the real part of the product. Plus real part of the first will multiply with the imaginary part of the second. Plus The real part of the second will multiply it with the imaginary part of the first. And the sum of these two products is the real imaginary part. That is the imaginary part. So in this way, we will multiply the complex numbers. We will multiply the complex number. So iota is equal to under root minus 1. Iota square will be equal to minus 1. 63654. Azim Bilal. Okay. So this is the way how to multiply the two complex numbers. Understood? Now the division. Division of the two complex numbers. Division is bit difficult. Z1 upon Z2. This is the division. Division of Z1 by Z2. Division. Divided by Z2. It will become Z1 upon Z2. It will become Z1 upon Z2.
Z2.
Now divide them. Z1 is A1 plus iota B1 upon A2 plus iota B2. Now we'll multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. This is the denominator, this is the numerator. Conjugate means we have to